everyone, welcome back to our channel and join us for another house tour as we tour this massive modern design property located in the most exclusive gated community or subdivision located in the heart of Angeles City. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is Rose Anna and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Dahil madilim na, makikita nyo naman sa mga montage natin yung sa harap natin. Makita nyo, very straightforward, modern, neutral yung colors natin, more on gray, black, white. So very minimalist din yung sa facade ng ating property. Pagpasok nyo sa ating entrance gate, you will be welcomed by, so yung view ninyo, alam mo, ang ganda nitong plant na to. Very nice, diba? So, you'll be welcomed by, kita ba yon? So, yung part na yan, that's actually a room. And papakita natin yan later. Pero pag akyat nyo, of course, it's elevated. You have a plant box here. And you have a cute garden. Actually, it's a very nice garden. Pwede mong dagdagan pa ng plants yan kung gusto mo pang dagdagan ng plants. There. And then, this side, there's an access going to your pool area. And that's my favorite spot actually, yung pool area. And I'll show you later kung bakit. So, ito ang ating door going to, or a gate going to your pool area. Yan ang ating garden. So, may few landscaping na tayo dyan. You also have your lanay dito. Pwede ka rin naman dito of course, you have your coffee table na dito. Pwede ka mag-coffee dyan. Pwede ka mag-breakfast dyan. This is your gate. Your massive door. And of course, you have your carport. This is a 2-car carport. Fully covered. Hindi po kasama yung mga yan. But yeah, just to show you, kapag sila, pinork sila ng parallel, kasya pa yung dalawang sasakyan. Ganon po ka-spacious yung ating carport. 2-car carport. Kung mapapansin nyo, maluwang na siya sa width niya. Even the length is spacious. You have your storage area. And this goes to the back of your property. So, pwede mo siyang ikutin. Guys, this is a 540 square meters lot area property with 682 square meters floor area. So, brace yourself because marami po kayo makikita. And this property is fully furnished. I did mention with pool area din siya. And it's just not a pool area, but, well, I'll excite you on that info. And I'm excited dahil hindi ako mag-isa today. Well, tonight, joining us sa house tour na to is one of the well-known brokers here in Pampanga. I've known her like years ago and I've learned so much from her. She's been in the industry for 2 decades. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Glendy. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Miss Anna.
Hello po. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much po.
Welcome to our new listing. Come on.
Diba? Come on, let's go, guys. So, it's a massive property located in one of the, or no, it's actually the most exclusive subdivision in Angeles City. And this is or just near Clark. A quick drive to Clark International Airport.
Actually, from this subdivision going to airport is just 15 minutes away.
15 minutes away. So if you're looking for a property located in Clark and you're looking for a massive property, wag na wag kayong magsiskip. Pagpasok nyo, this is a guest room and suite toilet and bath. It also has a mini walk-in closet. And everything na nandito po sa
guest room.
The guest room.
Yes.
So, these are all included, the bed, the aircon. So
complete.
complete. Included po
Okay,
lahat.
so if you have like elderly family member
Yes.
or guest, pwede sila dito para hindi na sila akyat baba ng stairs.
Perfect.
Ayan. Okay, so let's move on.
Dear, this side,
Dito muna.
later na siguro to, pag akyat
Okay.
natin, wala ka ang luwang. Tignan nyo naman yung,
O, dalawa kami, kasya kami.
Oo.
Rampa, pak.
di ba? This is your living area.
Yeah.
Yan. Dito tayo po, Miss Glendy. Let's show the living area. Dito po, everything again, included po lahat.
What I love about this area,
Yeah.
ang massive ng television.
Yes. And this is included po, no?
Yes,
This is included. At yung inyong, your couch.
Couch. Yeah.
These are custom made po.
Yes.
Tama po ba?
Also, what I love about this one, if you have like kids, alam mo yung pwede silang
They can play here.
yes,
They can
mga
play here.
games nila,
Yes.
board games, pwede dito.
I love yung color din niya. Kasi madaling ternohan. Like if you want to put more decoration, pwede rin. You also have your console here. Ang ganda. No? Yung ating TV console natin or TV rack, you have your accent board. Meron kang lights, you have fluted panels. May mga shelves ka pa dito. You want to put books or frames, pwede. At symmetrical po sila. Okay. At saka maluwang siya. No? Pwede kang magtakbo-takbo pa dito yung mga bata. Oh, this is included. Ayan. Let's walk. Maluwang pa, before ka mag-reach ng yung dining area, a very pretty chandelier. Sobrang spacious niya pa. Even dito. This is your formal kitchen. Ma'am, ang luwang nitong kitchen. Sobrang luwang ng kitchen natin. Your formal kitchen. So, your cooktop range hood. These are all included. Ay, ang ganda. Kasi some po, hindi clear yung cabinets. This one, kita mo yung sa loob. You have your pull-out. Diba?
Organizers.
Yes, or organizer. Kasi pag yung cabinet na hindi siya see-through, hindi nyo nakikita yung sa loob. At least ito, makita nyo na yung mga
Yeah.
kailangan yung madali
Kung
na hanapin.
mahilig magluto, yung makakabili, spacious yung service area.
Yes.
Tapos kung ayaw mong gamitin yung formal dining, pwede to. Tapos meron ng mga...
You can put stool here. Tama po ba? Yes.
Yes. So,
Siguro
pwede siyang
mga
gamitin.
5. Kasya po.
Most
5
probably,
stools.
yes. Pwede naman siya. Tapos, ako kasi pag nagluluto ako, marami akong gustong, kuwari, nagkakat ako dito, yung gulay
Nandito.
nandito. So, very spacious yung gusto ko. So, tamang-tama, this one, I think this is a 90 centimeter gas range. So, malaki siya. Ang tawag dito, pang cooking show daw pag mas
Yes.
malaki.
Opo.
Tapos
Ang
meron
ganda.
naman siyang oven,
Oven.
and exhaust. So, madami din siyang cabinets dito. Sa mga, mga
two levels.
kitchen utensils nyo and everything.
Is that cabinet also po? Or it's a...
Ito hindi na.
Pero it's nice kasi
Design.
some houses, kapag ganyan, hindi na nila linalagyan ng what do you call this? Additional accent. Like that one. Accent and then may light. So yung nangyayari sa iba, nag-iipon na lang ng dumi. Pag po hindi nila linagyan,
taas.
yes. So
Yeah.
that one, very clean. Tapos ginawa nila ng light. So sisindihan mo yung mga ilaw dyan.
Ayun.
You have your task light.
Mhm.
Diba? Kitang-kita yung iyong formal kitchen. O nga, pang kitchen show.
Oo.
Tsaka ang luwang. Hindi na you
Maluwang
can
siya.
freely move here.
Tama. O, kasya tayo kahit nagluluto ka doon, naghugas ako ng plato dito. Aba, pwede tayo, Miss Ena, dito ka.
Yes.
O, tingnan mo, Nagluluto ka dyan,
Yes.
naghugas akong plato.
Mhm.
Kasya kaming dalawa.
May chichikahan ka pa habang
Yes,
may-
exactly.
And
Yes.
ample space for the
Mhm.
preparation area.
Tapos, included na rin itong ating 2-door
Wow, this is nice.
na ref.
Ref. This is included.
Nakala,
Oh,
may laman.
may laman.
Yan. Okay.
Of course, kung meron tayong formal kitchen, dahil Pinoy tayo, meron
Yeah.
tayong
Dirty kitchen.
At nandito yung ating dirty kitchen. Ang spacious din na yung dirty kitchen. Same quality ng stove. Meron ka ring range hood, cooktop, and ayan. Preparation area, maluwang cabinets. This side, and dito yung pagbukas natin, dito po nakalocate ang ating helper's room. Meron tayong bathroom din dito. Laundry area dito rin po. Ang laki ng property, so we need to move faster. At what I love about this property is yung master bedroom niya, nandito siya sa ground floor. So definitely, pwede ka lang tumanda dito sa property na ito.
Hello.
Nandito na pala si
Ako ang taga-bukas
Ay,
ng
sorry.
pinto.
Ito po, ang ating master bedroom.
Yeah, here.
Yung sabi ko sa kanila,
Welcome.
ma'am, pwede ka lang tumanda talaga dito sa property.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi yung master bedroom mo, nasa
Nasa
ground
baba.
floor na.
Hindi
So,
ka
this is-
nakaakyat baba,
Yes.
very convenient. Eventually kasi, when we get old, ayaw mo na yung
Umakyat
masakit sa paa mo, ayaw mo na umakyat at baba. So, eto yon.
Yes, this is your master bedroom. So, question po in their mind sigurado, is the treadmill included po?
Yes.
So, the treadmill, ay,
So,
the treadmill is included.
Yes, included. Kasama na to.
Kasama
Pwede
na
na tayo
yan.
mag-exercise.
So, everything you see in this bedroom is included except for the
The
massage
massage
chair.
chair.
So, the massage chair, guys, I'm so sorry to break your hearts, pero hindi po siya kasama. But the treadmill is included.
Yeah.
Okay, so ito, king-size bed.
Mhm.
There, you can see, meron kang, you have your bed frame.
Accent bed frame
headboard,
doon at
yes.
saka dito sa ceiling nila.
Very nice. Ang ganda. Wood accent, drop light. Ayan.
Alam mo, actually, etong sofa na to, pwede siyang ilagay
Dito po,
dito
no?
kasi very spacious.
Yes.
Ito kasi, nilagay lang siya dito kasi the
Enough
owner,
space dito.
mas gusto niya lang magtrabaho dito.
Kaya po niya ito linagay.
Yes, pero ito, pwede naman siyang alisin, maglagay ka ng couch or very comfortable chair, pwede naman banda dito.
Mhm.
Yes.
Or, pwede mo siyang pa-built ng, kung, if you're working from home, tapos ayaw mo ng, gusto mo na dito na yung workstation mo, pwede ka na magpagawa ng
Yes, exactly.
custom.
Yeah.
And, ang maganda pa dito, pag binuksan natin to, you have a view of the pool area.
You have
Excited
the
ko ng-
access.
Yes, and you have access also to the pool area.
Exactly. Yes, meron.
Ay, we'll show you later. Excited na ako dun
Mhm.
sa part na yon. So, yun. And syempre, yan, nakikita nyo TV. That is also included. Syempre, master bedroom. Master bedroom ba yan kung wala siyang walk-in closet? Nalagpasan natin
Meron.
kanina.
Halika.
Walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet. Pakita natin yung vanity
Alam mo,
mirror.
ito yung mga gustong-gusto ng mga babae.
Yes.
Ito yung mga nandito yung mga bags namin.
Mhm.
Sapatos, mga damit, makeup or the vanity
Ang ganda
area.
ng vanity area.
So, nandito na yan. Tapos alam mo, maganda dito, meron siyang upuan. So, kung magtatay ka ng shoes mo, maglalagay ka
Yes.
ng shoes mo, meron ka ng upuan. Tapos meron siyang
Ang luwang pa ng
ample
bihisan.
cabinet.
Yes. Cabinets,
Ayan.
drawers. Hindi lang yan. Meron pa dito sa side na to.
Mhm.
So, pwedeng
Ang
ito.
dami doon.
So, pwedeng si Sir dito siya. Lahat yan kay
Usually, ganun.
Ganun.
Ang lalaki, dito,
Dito
lang,
lang
talaga.
siya.
Sorry
Yan.
guys, pero ganun ba talaga?
Ganun po talaga yung ano. Pagpasok mo ito, lahat ng to, side na to. So, hindi ko nabubuksan. Pero yung mga hang dyan yung hang yung mga damit mo.
Yes.
Diyan lahat. And then doon. So, this is your walk-in closet. And of course, your master bathroom. Dito po ang ating master bathroom.
Halika. Welcome sa master's bathroom. Aba!
Meron tayong
tayong
bathtub.
O, diba?
Bathtub, shower, stainless steel shower set. Meron ka ring enclosed shower area.
So, ito kasi, meron naman siyang shower. Pero, ang maganda sa kanya, meron siyang enclosure, shower enclosure na separate. Tapos, dito yung sa toilet.
So, separate siya. Pwede kayo magsabay.
His and hers sink.
Yes. Alam niyo na, girls, ladies and gentlemen, kung saan yung sa...
Yeah.
Because always right.
Yun ba yun? Alam mo.
Yes.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman.
Sir, always...
Kailangan, babae pala dahil lagi siyang, o yun?
So, always right siya.
Okay,
Right
nice.
His and hers, di ba? So,
Yes.
his and hers. Right?
His and
sink.
hers.
Always.
Okay.
So, vessel type
Gotcha.
sink. You have drawers. Di ba, ma'am?
Yes.
Always right. Ganda. Paglabas mo, ang luwang talaga. Kasi pwede ka magbihis, pwede mo
Yes.
Yung iba kasi mahisikip pag nasa walk-in closet tayo.
Okay.
Okay, pasok na tayo, pakita na natin yung full area. And, so favorite part ko ng property na to. So, I just wanna show you, kasi ang perfect ng location or yung door niya. So, this is your dining area. And if you have gatherings, if you love to invite your friends for gatherings, this is the perfect spot. Extend your celebration, your dining area to your pool area. You have your dining and you have your bar. O, di ba? You have your bar.
Ano gusto mo? Shot ba tayo, Miss Ena? Halika.
Diba?
O, tigisa nga
O, di ba,
tayo,
tignan
tapos
mo.
cheers tayo.
Di ba? Oh, ganda. This is our bar. Nakikita nyo naman ang mga nakalagay na dyan.
Alam, parang
Nakaprepare na.
feeling ko pag ako tumira dito, ma-addict ako sa bandang bar.
Yes. Hindi ka nalalabas ng bahay.
Exactly.
Dito ka na lang.
If you have friends coming over, magdala ng liquor, o kahit nandito na, ayan.
Kaya
Naku,
kung
Diyos
ayaw
ko
nyo
po.
magkape, pwede naman coffee.
Yes,
Here,
nandito
kung ayaw
na.
nyo ng mga liquor, pwede. And you know, like, parang ang sarap mag-invite ng tao. Ang sarap mag-invite ng mga friends.
Friends, relatives, colleagues, lahat.
Yes. Kasi ma-accommodate mo lahat.
Exactly. Itong area na to kasi, what I love about this one is, andito na yung pool.
Yes.
Very entertaining. May bar ka. Kung kakain, meron kang dining area. Kung magkukwentuhan, meron kang mini lounge doon.
Yes. Dito,
O, diba?
ito po yung sa master bedroom kanina.
Yeah, pakita mo, Miss Ena.
Yes, ito po yung, saan ba yung access here?
Yan.
So you have your door going to your master's
Mhm.
bedroom. Diba? Ang sarap nga naman, nasa baba na yung master's bedroom, nasa may poolside pa. Kasama po ba yan?
Yeah, gusto mo drink?
Oh,
Meron, malamig pa. Ay,
kasama!
mag-cheers na tayong dalawa.
Kasama!
Oh.
Oh. Hala! Hala, ang sarap! O, diba? Kasama yan. Kasama na rin ba itong mga
Oo,
drinks?
kasama.
Ay, kasama na
yan.
daw yung mga drinks. Oh,
Kasama na natin
pagbili
yan.
mo dito sa property, mag-invite ka na, mag-housewarming ka na pag-sign mo dito sa property. Okay, pakita ko po yung pool area kasi sobrang massive, sobrang laki ng ating pool area. While you're enjoying your drinks there, your family may be eating dito sa dining area. And then yung mga kids mo, nagka-catch up sila sa lounge. This is your lounge. Diba? So, madali lang. Nandun yung dining area. You can actually put some food din dito. This is your lounge. And then, your pool area, meron din siyang jacuzzi. Sa mga gusto lang mag-relax, meron po tayong jacuzzi para sa mga bata. Yan, safe din sa kanila. You have your shower area dito. And ito yung side going to the garden kanina nung pinuntahan natin. So, doon siya. This is, I think, ito yung pinaka-highlight talaga for me. Aside from all your bedrooms, kasi this property has 7 bedrooms.
Yes,
7 bedrooms, and all those bedrooms have their own ensuite toilet and bath,
exactly.
and 3 flexi room. So, kung hindi ka pa satisfied sa space mo dito, you want to extend the party sa taas, pwedeng-pwede. And yun yung next nating pupuntahan. Let's go!
Come on, let's go, guys.
Let's go! Okay, bago tayo umakyat, so the guest room, we've shown you clips na ng guest room. Under your stairwell, you have your, this is a powder room. Very spacious ang powder room natin. Your powder room, meron ka ring storage under your stairwell. Okay? This one is included as well. So you can put shoes, frames, or you leave it as it is kasi pretty naman siya. And I like the accent. This is wood. This is wood po, no?
Yes.
Yes, this is wood. Ang ganda. Very classy. Alright. The stairwell, meron tayong step lights and meron kang window dito for natural light during daytime. So, hindi ka rin mag-aaksaya ng kuryente. Instagrammable, diba? You have your accent. These are tiles, glossy tiles, and it looks really great with your wood accent. Okay, this is your landing. Spacious, safe for your kids and for your elderly. You have your window. Kung gusto mo sa umaga, itaas mo yan for natural light. Perfect yan. Pwede rin naman half sa blinds or full, pwede mo yung takpan. Your chandelier, your accent, and syempre kung may step light yung part doon ng stairwell, meron din dito. At ang smooth ng yung pag-akyat. No? Hindi mataas yung mga steps niya. And then, maluwang pa yung size niya. Because pag pinasok mo yung paa mo, saktong-sakto lang. This one, sobrang luwang ng mga steps natin. There. And then, smooth ang yung pang-pageant ba? Yung dire-diretso yung paglakad mo. Ganun siya. Okay? Your flooring. Yan. Makita mo yung mga planks natin. Wood design tiles. So, para sa mga planks. Usually pag second floor, ganyan na, no? Kasi para mas cozy na. Dito tayo nag-intro kanina. Kung napapansin nyo, guys. Yan, mga yan. So, you have your rooms there. But before you go there, sabi ko kanina, you can extend your gathering sa second floor. And how? You have your flexi room. O, diba? This is your flexi room.
Yes.
One. This can be your office,
Yes, office, playroom,
playroom,
music room,
yeah.
study room.
Study room.
Pwede. Very spacious. May aircon naman. That you have access to the balcony.
This is your access
Ayan.
to the balcony.
Pakita mo, Miss Ena.
Yes. Na yung pag nasa-stress ka na sa trabaho, kailangan ko ng hangin.
Yan.
Kailangan ko ng hangin. Wow!
Chair and
Table for 4. So makikita nyo kung gaano siya kaluwang kasi, 'di ba? 4-seater na to, pero maluwang pa. And ang height, perfect. Hindi mababa, tamang-tama, safe. Lakad tayo dito. L-type po siya. And that side, you have sink. No? So just in case you're eating, tapos you need to wash your hands, meron tayong sink doon. So pwede na kayong maghugas ng kamay doon. This is your balcony, and this is your flexi room. Ay, paglabas natin, that's your flexi room 1. And we have flexi room 2. Ito po.
Welcome to the second flexi
Flexi
room.
room. Mas malaki po ito
Mas
dun sa
malaki siya.
kanina.
So ito, pwede mo siyang gawing gym,
Yes.
Zumba area, or tignan mo to.
Playroom.
Playroom.
Ng playroom.
Yes.
Yeah, pwede
So,
silang maglagay ng mga mini slides.
Yeah.
Kasi ganun siya kaluwang, ganun siya ka...
Maluwang talaga.
Spacious.
Tsaka kahit kung gumimik naman kayo dito sa bahay, dito rin pwede.
Yes, kung yun isa, gagawin mong office, gawin mo tong video kay room.
Ay, pwede. Yes.
Video kay room para yung mga ayaw magkanta-kanta sa baba, nahihiya. Dito na lang sila bibirit.
Tama, tama.
Tapos,
So, ang laki, di ba? Ang
Yes.
spacious, promise.
very nice. Tapos, what I like about the second floor, meron siyang sink dun sa may balcony, ma'am.
Okay.
Pag gusto nilang mag-wash na ng hands, hindi na sila bababa.
Tapos,
diba? Ay!
para hindi na bumaba, tumaas, meron siyang sariling bathroom.
Meron niyang bathroom. And it's a full bath.
Full bath, yeah.
It's a full bath. Wow. Your full bath, you have your vessel type sink, mirror, your toilet, shower set. So, it's nice. So, ang labanan pala dito, ma'am, kapag hindi na kayang nakatulog na sila dito, pagising nila, diretso dito na
Yes,
sila.
exactly. Alam mo yung mga nag-overnight
Yeah,
na
you have.
minsan gusto mo nagbabanding kayo.
Yes.
Pwede kayong maglagay ng mga beds.
Beds.
So, dito kayo lahat kasi may sarili naman siyang bathroom.
Mhm.
And also, meron kayong mini balcony
Ay,
here.
okay.
Ayun, o.
Oh, you have your mini balcony pag kailangan nyo rin ng hangin.
Yeah.
Nice. Pwede rin dito yung white screen, tapos movie marathon.
Yung projector ba yun?
Projector,
Yes,
yes.
exactly.
Tapos mag-wash sila dito, bean bags, or
Yes.
yung mga mattresses na comfort.
Yeah. Pwede.
So nice. Tsaka hindi sila siksikan.
Maluwang eh.
Maluwang. Sobra. So this is the second
flexi
flexi room. Wow.
Okay.
Let's go. Tayo na sa next spot natin. So next, well, pakita ko lang yung view dito. Tignan nyo kung paano yung effect ng architectural design, like yung mga tiles natin na glossy, both sides, pag tinamaan ng ilaw ng chandelier. Diba? May ibang dating talaga, ang ganda. Alright, so next, to your flexi room 2 is your first bedroom sa yung second floor.
Welcome again.
It's your first bedroom sa second floor.
Yeah.
And wow,
It's a queen size bed
queen size bed.
and suite.
At ang ganda. High ceiling.
High ceiling, yeah.
You have your accent sa headboard. Mayroon ka ng bed frame. You have your headboard design pa. Tapos,
Side tables.
side table, side drawers. Tignan mo, may side drawer ka na, pero maluwang pa siya.
Mhm.
Ganun siya. Spacious. Paglakad natin dito, same. Okay, kung gusto nyong buksan to, natural light during daytime, pwede. Hindi mo na kailangan sindihan yung mga ilaw. Meron ka ng natural light. Aircon is included. TV console natin, drawers. Pwede mong itayo yung TV dyan. Pwede mong i-mount yung TV. And this is your mini walk-in closet. This can be, or this is your vanity area.
Or study table.
Or study table, no? Pwede ka oh yeah, you can put your books here. Diba? Or kung gusto mo siyang gawing vanity area, you can add mirror. Your full size, or your ensuite toilet and bath, vessel type sink, toilet, even yung CR natin, your bathroom natin, high ceiling siya. Can you see that? Stainless steel shower set, tempered glass partition, enclosed shower area, floor to ceiling tiles. And that is your junior suite. Okay, so pagpasok natin, this is another room. Oh my gosh, so spacious. Queen size bed, TV area. You have your walk-in closet with a full body mirror. And of course, ang ganda nitong room na to. Favorite ko to. And of course, you have your ensuite toilet and bath. Kung mapapansin nyo, malaki yung bathroom natin. Alright? Let's go next. This is another family area. This is a family area.
Second floor.
Sa second floor. So, ang daming pwedeng pag may guest ka talaga.
Yes. Kasi malaki yung bahay.
Dito.
So, you can receive as much as you want na guest. Ang daming flexi room, ang daming areas na pwedeng pagbandingan.
You have a view of the pool area. Dito. Diba? So, yung mga, feeling ko dito yung mga yung mga ayaw nang maingay, dito muna sila. And what I like, so thoughtful yung sink natin dyan, ma'am.
Tapos ito, kung kumain ka dito, pwede kang maghugas ng kamay. Oh.
Diba? So, yung hindi na kailangan bumaba.
Tama.
Dito ka lang talaga sa bahay. Alright. Dito ulit tayo sa rampahan.
Sige, Miss Ena, please explain the next room.
This is the runway going to the other room. Same. A spacious bedroom, queen-size bed with ensuite toilet and bath, and a very pretty walk-in closet. Same, kamukhang-kamukha siya nung sa kabila. Ganon-ganon yung design niya. So that's the third room. Ito pa ang isa. Spacious bedroom with queen-size bed. Meron kang mini walk-in closet and a suite toilet and bath. At kung hindi pa sapat ang mga flexi rooms natin, oh, yes. Meron pa tayong isang flexi room dito.
Yes.
And same size po nung isa. Or this is, this one, wala po siyang bathroom.
Alam mo, ito parang ang
But,
feeling ko dito, pwede ako mag-karaoke.
Dito yung pang-karaoke.
Yes.
Dito
Gym,
siya.
pwede din. Whatever you like it.
Also, yung location niya kasi, doon siya sa medyo sulok na. So,
Ayan.
kung ayaw niyo nung mag-ingay,
O kaya,
pwede siya dito.
pag may guest ka, doon ang boys, dito
Ayan,
yung girls.
yes.
O, diba, iba yung banding nila doon, dito yung banding natin.
If you have kids na,
Pwede sila doon sa isa.
sa isa, yung mga girls room, boys room,
Exactly.
or yung mga friends ng isang anak mo dito sa kabila.
So, they can entertain them all.
Yes. Everyone is welcome.
Tapos, meron siyang switch ng TV. So, pwede ka maglagay ng TV na malaki or projector kung anong gusto mo kasi white naman siya. So, this is very useful.
Nice. Mga shelves
Yan.
dito.
Ang ganda ito.
And then those are included, but they're
Yes, meron silang upuan.
Yeah, ang perfect nga nito for karaoke.
Yeah.
Yung mga chairs natin.
Marunong ka ba kumanta?
Ay, kumakanta ko naman.
Ay, wow! Ako, wish ko, pero hindi na grant. So, kanta lang ako sa bathroom, yun lang. Pansarili lang.
Kumakanta-kanta naman.
Ako lang nakakarinig sa mga kanta ko.
Ang perfect nito, yung acoustics niya pa,
Ang ganda, no? Tapos nag-iiba yung kulay.
Yeah, ang
Pansinin
ganda.
mo.
Yung cube lights natin, nag-iiba ng color.
Yeah. Kanina green, ngayon red.
Red.
O,
Ayan,
tama
pink.
yung pink.
See?
O, lilac. So, iba
Ang
blue.
luwang.
Ang ganda.
Very nice.
Okay? So, let's proceed to the
Let's
next one.
proceed. This is your last bedroom. And dito sa dula, this is your powder room, of course, for your visitors. Powder room, pero sobrang spacious. Vessel type sink, your toilet, urinal, and ang ganda ng mga tiles natin. There. At ito ang yung last bedroom. Nakita nyo naman yung mga rooms natin, lahat spacious. This is king size bed. Ang laki. These are all included. Ang luwang. Tapos, dito yung iyong, gusto ko tong full body mirror na to. And then, tignan mo kung gaano kaluwang yung bathroom. It's your bathroom. So, all 7 bedrooms natin has their own ensuite toilet and bath. At lahat po spacious. And there you have it. Kaya babalik na tayo sa ground floor for our recap. And for our recap, this 2-star modern design property located in the most exclusive subdivision in the heart of Angeles City has a lot area of 540 square meters and a 682 square meters floor area. Located sa ating ground floor, we have 2 bedrooms with ensuite toilet and bath.
Yeah.
And nandun din ang ating living area,
Yes.
ating dining area, and our spacious kitchen. Rooms that can accommodate everyone. You have 5 bedrooms sa yung second floor, all again with ensuite toilet and bath.
Exactly.
3 flexi rooms.
Mm-hmm.
And then, you have your balcony. Definitely marami pong nag-enjoy dito sa ating house ni Miss Glendy. Ang unang tanong po natin, paano po nila how can they purchase this property? Is this property, does this have a clean title?
Yes, definitely. This house has a clean title, ready to move in. It's an RFO. It means ready for occupancy. So anytime pwede ka nang mag-move in, just bring your clothes with you. Anytime. You
Anytime,
can
pwede
move
na
in.
pong mag-move in.
Yes, exactly.
Some may ask po, ito po yung madalas na tinatanong ng mga buyers. Is this open for bank financing?
Yes, open.
Okay, so it's
Cash,
open.
bank financing, or if you have like payment terms na nasa isip mo, let us know and we
Yes.
can discuss it.
So it's negotiable. The price is negotiable.
Yes, negotiable.
The price is negotiable. Pag hindi po tayo makontakt, some they don't have messenger, and I believe in Middle East, wala po silang messenger doon.
Email.
Email and WhatsApp, yun po yung
WhatsApp,
ginagamit
okay.
sila. Pwede nyo po kaming i-reach doon. We have Viber, our email addresses, yung mga local numbers namin nandyan din po. TikTok, kasi po, while we're editing this video, meron na po tayong mga reels sa TikTok.
Wow.
So,
okay.
makikita nyo na po siya. And kapag nakita nyo na po siya, you don't have to wait for the full video. Pwede na kayong schedule ng inyong tripping.
Yeah.
Actually, kung halimbawa, hindi pa to na post sa YouTube and you like it, pwede nyo na siyang bilhin.
Yeah, anytime.
Yes, anytime.
We're
Mabilis
ready
po,
for you guys.
mabilis pong kausap ang magsasign ng property ng mga papers nyo. So, madaling-madali lang po ang inyong gagawin. Just contact us.
You will love this house.
Yes.
Definitely naman.
Yeah, there's no reason to go out.
This one, it's very close to grocery stores, supermarkets, schools, hospital, even the Clark Airport. It's just like 15 minutes away from here.
Tsaka,
So, napaka-convenient.
the subdivision, it's really the most exclusive subdivision in
Yeah,
Pangalas
dito
City.
kasi,
Maganda po yung subdivision na to.
Ay, pwede ko lang i-share. If you have guests, pwede mo silang pa-enlist dun sa guard para alam nila na guest mo sila. If not, hindi mo sila na-endorse, the guard will call you and confirm kung kilala mo nga yun. And the guard will help you o yung guest mo papunta dito kung dito nga talaga siya pupunta.
Wow.
Just to make sure na safe yung bibisita
And
sila.
that's 24-hour security service.
Yes, it is.
24-hour security service. And I've experienced na rin kasi some trippings here in this subdivision.
Okay?
Yung mga guards nila, kilala nila yung mga nakatira talaga.
Totoo.
Dito sa subdivision. Ganon ka familiar or ganon ka safe itong ating subdivision.
Merong resident here, so may kumatok sa bahay niya at 11 p.m. Sabi nung couple, bakit may kumakatok gabing-gabi
11
na? Yeah, 11 p.m. Yun pala, nakalimutan isara yung gate, ang kumakatok yung guard just to make sure na
Naisara
isasara
nila
at
yung
safe yung bahay.
Wow.
So, they check around.
They check around. That's
Yeah.
nice. Ang ganda na ng subdivision. Even its location, this is flood-free. Marami pong nagtatanong, bakit elevated yung property? It's a architectural design for a grand finish. Para mas marami tayong magawang design sa property. That's what they do.
Also, we have a beautiful clubhouse here.
Wow. Yes.
We have two pool, adult and the kids pool. And it's always well-maintained. And the homeowners here always encourage the residents to use the clubhouse, especially the
Wow.
pool for the kids.
So that's
Okay.
our amenities dito sa subdivision.
Subdivision.
The location, 15-minute drive to Clark
Yeah.
International Airport. So if you're interested again, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. This is your host Anna and I'm with Miss Glendy.
Your guest for
yes,
tonight.
my guest for tonight. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.
Thank you.
Thank you.